welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals. In this video we learn animal names. The first one is a giraffe. G is for giraffe. The next one is elephant. E is for elephant. The next one is a lion. A lion king. L is for lion. This is a rhino. R is for rhino. This is a rhino. This is a rooster. This is a rooster. The next one is a hen. H is for hen. This is a panda. P is for panda. The next one is a sheep. S is for sheep. This is a giraffe. This is a giraffe. This is a deer. This is a deer. This is a camel. This is a camel. This is a dog.